Okay, for the profile, first of all, what we have to do? We have to create a user. First of all, start programs, then go to what? Go to administrative tools, and from there, Active Directory, users, and computer. Here I'm going to what? First of all, I'm going to create a user. So right click and then go to new. You don't have to create organization unit or anything else. Just select users, and from there, right click, go to new, and from there, I'm going to what? I'm going to create a new user with the name of what? Noman. Then what? Username, login name, next, assign a password. Next, and then finish. Now, first of all, what we have to do? We have to give him permission, and that is what? Allow log on locally. And that is going to be assigned from where? So what we have to do? Start programs, administrative tools, and what is there? You have to do it what? That is, there is an option with the name of what? Domain controller security policy. Domain controller security policy. Click on it. From there, what we have to do? Select local policies. Local policies, and in the local policy, user right assignments. User rights assignments, and there the fifth policy. That is what? Allow log on locally. Just double click on it. Double click, and then what user? Whose user you want to give him permission? So from here, add a user or group. Click on the button, and from there go to browse, then advanced, and who is the user? Find now. The username is what? Noman. So from here, select it. That is Noman. Select. Click on OK. Again OK. Then and apply and OK. Now we have given him what? We have given him log on locally. Now just update it. Refresh. And now start in the same. What is this? This is Server 2003 operating system. This is server operating system. So I'm going to what? I'm going to log off it. The administrator log off. That is what? Log off administrator. And then going to log in with that username. Who is the user? Alt Control Delete. Noman. When I'm going to click on the OK button. So what we have to do? The mamata error ragi. It will give me an error. Log on. The local policy of this system doesn't permit you to log on interactively. But this problem is just because of what? This is the virtual machine problem. But you are going to do it practically there, so it's not going to give you this message. But the other local virtual machine problem there. So that's why what we have to do. Again, I'm going to log in with the administrator username. That's the virtual machine error there. So virtual normal environment, practical environment the error is environment error bana karti. Now I am going to what? Again, I'm going to give him another rights. I'm going to add this user with the administrator group. The user administrator group form. Select the user, right click over it and go to what? Properties. From there select what? Member of. I want to make this user the member of what? Member of administrators group. So just go to what? Go to add. From there again advanced. Find now and who. I want to add him what? I want to add him in administrators group. So select administrators. Click on the OK button. Again OK. Apply and then OK. Now this user becomes what? The member of administrators. So now he is what? He is allowed to log in on the server operating system. Go to again log off. Now this is what? Windows Server 2003. Log in with that username. Now he is allowed to log in on the server operating system. Now just a single login is required. You don't have to do anything. Just log in and wapas log off. Now log in and again log out. Don't do anything. Just log in with the user profile for server a single login is required. Now what we have to do? Go to login again with the administrator. And if you want to check it out, that whether the profile of this user has been created or not. So how to check it out? Go in the user profile. So a folder with the name of what? With the name of this user, Noman, has been created in what? In the C document settings. Open my computer, go to C drive, from there open what? document and settings, and you will notice there is a folder with the name of Noman has been created. Noman from folder Josh means profile that is user Josh. Now, this one is what? I'm going to what? Go to the client machine. This is Windows XP, and I'm going to log in with this username. Who is the user? Noman. Noman is logging on the client machine, and then he is going to save something on the desktop of the client machine. Now, Noman has been logged in on the client machine. This is what? This is Noman user. If I'm going to save something, I want to change the start menu setting, then going to make arrange icons by name. Then here I'm going to create a folder with the name of what? With the name of, for example, Noman. Again, I'm going to create a new folder with the name of Kardan. Right click, create a new folder with the name of Kardan as well. Now, right click here, go to properties. From there, go to what? Desktop. And from there, I'm changing the wallpaper. For example, that is what? Coffee bean. Apply and then OK. We have made some changes on this desktop. Now, when I'm going to what? Log off from this computer. Log off. And then going to what? Going to log in on this computer. So the computer one log in again. So you should. And who is the user? Noman is the user. So those desktop settings will not be available here because that is just available on that previous computer. For the computer mein desktop settings available nahi. That is called what? That is called local profile. For desktop settings wallpaper is not there. If you have saved this Kardan and what? Those two folders with the name of Noman and Kardan. So the same user is there, Noman, but that folder and that files available, not available there. Desktop wallpaper is not available because this profile is what? This is local profile. Again, I'm going to what? I'm going to log off from this computer. The computer na log off kega. And then go to what? Go to the previous computer. This computer and log in Noman. So these changes will just be available on this computer. Desktop wallpaper, file and folder just available on this computer. If you want to check it out, whether the profile is local or roaming or mandatory, select my computer, right click on it, go to what? Properties. From there, check it out what? That is what? Advanced. And that is what? User profile. So click on the settings button, you will notice the profile is what type of profile is? Local. Is that clear? Now, we want to make what? We want to make mandatory profile. I'm going to log off from this computer. The same profile, that local profile, I'm going to change it from what? From local to roaming. How to do it? Now go to what? Go to the server operating system. Open my computer, go to C drive, go to document and settings and check it out. Noman folder is there. Now what to do? Right click on Noman folder and go to what? Copy. Copy it, then right click and paste it here. Right click and paste it here. The folder has been pasted here. Directly proceed drive key. The document setting में paste or दल में go. Now right click on it. Go to what? Go to properties. And from there, what we have to do? Go to sharing. And that is what? Share this folder. Share this folder. Go to permission. And from there, remove everyone. We just wanted to share this folder with the same user. Who is the user? Go to it. From there, advanced. Select what? Find now. And then select Noman. Select Noman. Click on the OK button. Again, OK. Give him full permission. Apply. And then OK. Again, apply. Now go to what? Go to security tab. Again, go to security tab. Go to advanced. From there, advanced. Select find now. And then again, select Noman. Select Noman. OK. Again, OK. Give him full control. Apply. And again, OK. Now, folder has been shared with this user with full permission. Close this. Go to what? Start, programs, admin tools, Active Directory, user and computers. Who is the user? Noman is the user. Now right click on Noman and go to what? Go to properties. From there select what? Profile. And that is what? Profile path. So the computer name, just check it out, the computer name. Right click on my computer, go to properties, and from there computer name. What is the computer name? Computer name is server. So what we have to do? From here in the Active Directory, right click, go to properties, from there select profile and then double backslash. The computer name is what? Server. And then backslash. What is the folder name? Noman. Folder and username are the same. If the folder name and username are the different, for example, the folder name is what? That is ABC. And the username is what? That is Noman. So then you have to mention both of them. But user and folder name are the same. So that's why I have to mention it what for a single time. Double backslash server, then backslash what? Then backslash Noman. Is it clear? Ferdaws infusion. Right click on it and then apply and OK. Now close it. Now go to what? Go to the client machine. There I'm going to log in with this username, Noman. Wallpaper has been already changed. Right click and I'm going to create a new folder with the name of what? With the name of Farzamal Kardan. Again right click and then I'm going to create another folder with the name of Farzamal Noman. Again right click and I'm going to create another folder with the name of Farzamal ABC. Go to start programs and their accessories and then I'm going to create a shortcut for what? Calculator. Right click on the calculator, send to what? Desktop shortcut. Command prompt, right click over it, go to send to what? Desktop shortcut. Click on the MS Paint, right click, go to send to and then desktop shortcut. Now go it. This is DOS command prompt shortcut, this is MS Paint shortcut, and this is calculator shortcut. This has been what? This shortcut has been created on this computer. Now I'm going to what? I'm going to log off from here. Log off it. Go to what? Go to next to the second computer. Here I'm going to log in with this username. Maybe the changes is not available for the first time. So if the changes are not available for the first time, so log off and again log in on the same computer. Where maybe for first login one is available nahi. So what to do? Log off and again log in. Again log in on the same computer. Go to previous computer, log in. The changes is just available on this computer. And if you want to check it out, the local profile, the profile status, right click, rename. Right click on my computer, go to properties, from there what? Advanced, and check it out, user profile. Now it's what? Roaming. Again log off from this computer. The changes has been just available on this. There again on this computer, folder has been this one, then and calculator available here. I'm going to what? Log off from this and log in to the second, this one computer. Now check it out. Now the changes are available on this computer as well. So again available. Again, for example, if I'm going to what? This is Windows Server 2003. Check it out on the top of the thing. Server day. I'm going to what? I'm going to log off this computer. The server log off. This one, then this one. I'm going to log off from this computer. Log off. This is Windows XP log off. Now go to what? Go to the server operating system. Server. Now check it out. This is what? Windows Server 2003. Log in on this computer with the same user, Noman. This desktop setting will be available as well here. Or come computer chita so login ki the changes are available. Now this check it out. This is Server 2003. And the changes that you have made onto the previous computer will be available on each and every computer. So this kind of profile is called what? This is called roaming profile. Is it clear? Now log off server operating system. Log in with the administrator username. Gore yoda CV cheaper confusion person confuse kawai na مطلب دا دی کله چې موږ کلاینټ باندې یو ځل یا دوه ځل لاګین شو نو دا چینجز موږ ته نه ښکاري دا اکثر هر یو پالیسی دپاره we are going to log in each and every policy is going to be implemented through what through next boot هر یو سیستم ریسټارټ کول غواړي موږ کو ریسټارټ کوو نو لاګ اف کوو نو لاګ اف سره نه کوي نو دوه ځل یا درې ځل سیستم لاګ اف کوي چې بیا لاګین کیږي نو بیا اویلیبل او فرست لاګین باندې موستلی اویلیبل is not available there now go to what we want to convert this local profile roaming profile to what now we want to convert it to what to mandatory so what to do first of all go to what right click on what my computer and from there go to what go to properties from there just check it out go to what go to advanced select user profile now check it out Noman is there you can see that Noman is there just select the Noman name select the username that is what Noman on the server operating system again look at here we are on server operating system we are logged in with the administrator username and password now right click on my computer go to what properties from there go to what advanced select what user profile and from there select what Noman profile is there now go to what go to copy what browse and where we have copied the folder of this user that is available on the C drive directly go to C drive ke Noman folder de just select this okay and again okay it will ask about the changes yes make the changes and then okay and again okay now again what we have to do go to open my computer then C drive where is the folder of Noman this is the Noman folder now open it and there is a file with the name of nt user nt matlab network user dot what dot dat nt user dot dat file name में मौजूद है nt user dot dat you can see that start the nt user so what we have to do we have to rename it nt user dot what dot man means mandatory make this profile what mandatory so just what the same folder is there file name is there so just select nt user dot dat and the DNSO man means mandatory make it what make it mandatory from dat to what from dat to man mandatory now click on it and then just check it out nt user what nt user dot man dat na sirf man sirf extension change ki is it clear now saved it and then go to what go to the client machine there I'm going to log in with the same user now the program shortcuts are available here I'm going to what I'm going to select these all these and then going to what delete me bro is it clear all shortcuts folders I have deleted I'm going to what I'm going to log off and log in on the same computer but the computer मैंने क्या log in किएगी they are available change is not going to save master delete कर वापस रहा है is it clear roaming the तमाम mandatory सब है जैसे changes था कोई आपने save की again select these files delete I am going to what log off क्या log off किएगा अब folders को वापस रहा है चिता सुस्त changes को भी आपने save की again going to log in on the same computer program shortcuts लगे available if I'm going to what again select these folders delete this one delete select this delete and there I'm going to what right click and creating a new folder with the name of what param s students profile folder में जोड़ दो बाकी में डिलीट करो और दा फोल्डर में जोड़ दो दीजिए केवल फोल्डर जोड़ो राइट क्लिक न्यू विद द नेम ऑफ व्हाट विद द नेम ऑफ जुबैर उस गोरे क्या लॉग ऑफ किएगा अब प्रीवियस बरा सीधा पर डिलीट शी गोरे क्या लॉग इन दिस सेम कंप्यूटर देखा बिल कंप्यूटर नजू previous folder available with new folder turn as students profile deleted Zubair folder deleted new changes ne save ki previous changes run remove ki that's called what mandatory if I am going to check it out right click on my computer go to profiles from there select what advanced and then user profile and what is this MAND mandatory just extend it over a mandatory profile. Is it clear? Who should be? Going to repeat it. On each and every computer, if you are going to log in with the mandatory profile, so each and everything that you are going to save on the desktop is not going to save. Mandatory profile माने चिता सो बकम कंप्यूटर लॉगिन की गई, और डेस्कटॉप माने चिता सो से चेंजेस को या बने सेव की, अब रिमूव की.